Criminals and scammers are using hacked websites and expired domain names to poison ChatGPT with spammy recommendations. Here's how to stay safe. Here's the really short version of this article. It's really straightforward. When you use ChatGPT and you ask it to do a search on a topic, you ask it a question, it's going to go do a web search. At the end, it's going to give you sources of websites that it found as part of its search. What's happening is that scammers here are taking expired domains, or expired websites, or they're hacking websites and taking over the website. And they know that ChatGPT will do a web search against that website. And then they fill it with all kinds of data, information, whatever they want to put into it, scams, spam, doesn't matter. So you do have to be careful. What this means is we've seen studies already where ChatGPT is necessarily reducing the number of links that people click on as opposed to like the traditional Google search where you went to the source, the website source. So we already know people are not clicking the sources. But now you kind of have to. Because if you don't, you have no idea whether ChatGPT actually pulled an accurate web search. So now the entirety of the web is going to become a wasteland. It's going to become a wasteland of scams and spam as AI systems are the attempt to infiltrate AI systems only increases. So that's it. That's the content of the article. When you're using these systems, you got to be really careful. You can't trust anything that comes out of these LLM systems, like nothing. You have to assume that all the information is wrong, that everyone's lying to you and out to get you,